In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive upload blocked error. If you're seeing that upload blocked message on Office files, this walkthrough will clear it up quickly and safely. We're going to sign OneDrive out, clear a small cache that causes the block, and then sign back in. Your files won't be deleted and you won't have to re-download everything. First, we'll temporarily unlink OneDrive from your PC. Look down at the notification area on the taskbar and click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Click the OneDrive cloud icon. This might be white or blue depending on your account. In the OneDrive window, click the gear icon for settings, then open the settings tab. On the left-hand sidebar, choose account, click unlink this PC, which usually appears as a blue link, and confirm by selecting unlink account in the pop-up. Don't worry, this only signs you out of the OneDrive app. Your files stay where they are and nothing is removed from your computer or the cloud. With OneDrive signed out, the crucial step is to clear the Office cache. Open Word or Excel, whichever you have handy. Go to File, then Options, and choose the Save section. Scroll to the bottom and click Delete Cached Files. This removes temporary Office files that often trigger the blocked message when OneDrive tries to sync. When that's done, close every Office program you have open to make sure the cache fully clears. Now sign back into OneDrive. If the window didn't stay open, search for OneDrive from the Start menu and launch it, enter your email and sign in. When OneDrive asks where your OneDrive folder should be, you'll likely see a note that a folder already exists. Click Use this folder. That choice reuses your current files so you don't have to download everything again. OneDrive will begin checking your files and show a message like looking for changes. Let it run. This can take a bit if you have a lot of documents. Keep the app open and stay connected to the internet while it finishes. Once that check completes, your Office files should resume uploading normally and the upload blocked message should be gone. If you were in the middle of editing something when the issue occurred, reopen the document and save it again to confirm synchronization. That's all there is to it. Unlink, clear the Office cache, and sign back in using your existing folder.